Hi everyone, it's Shane from Hanlon's for another Maintenance Monday. Today we're going to talk about PTO bolts, both on Fendt tractors and newer Massey tractors. So if you own one of these tractors, you know that there's a ring and there's 6 bolts that hold the PTO shaft tight. We've run into instances where, for whatever reason, someone doesn't get the bolts tight enough and there's some slop in there and they notice that there's vibration in the PTO shaft. Rather than tightening those bolts up and using them again after you've had an incident like that, or if you have an incident where a bolt happens to break, what we recommend is you should get 6 new bolts. It's very, very cheap to buy those 6 bolts. They're just studs, so they're easy to turn out. You stick a punch down in the bottom, hold the shaft, and you can actually spin the bolts out with a vice grip. But as a safety thing, just make sure that you replace those bolts rather than just replacing the one that broke. Do all 6 of them because the other 5 have obviously become weakened too. So just a safety note, watch for that. Replace them if you run into that issue. Hopefully that helps you out. Thanks for watching.